So I opted for returning none, so that there's no confusion whatsoever. None is none. The trade did not happen. Move on, right? That has to make more sense, or at least help us find out what the fuck is wrong with this. IDX Max is the first place where true happened. True should not be happening until this is true. And from what I can see, DF from other block high greater than self dot other block or equal to this not bad right here. Such thing does not exist until like far into the data frame itself. Why is it not moving? What? Guess the file is too big or something. Don't water up anything, just leave it like that. Okay. So there's no 18 here for this thing to be acting like what I don't understand. The only 18, and for 18 is what this other block is, right? 1802.1.53. The only 1802.1.53 or anything greater than that started from here, 1830. And if we look at the chart, that should be what is reflected. You can see it's 1830. If you look here, you see 1830 when I hover around here, 1830, which is the place where it started from, which makes sense, right? Because that's where it's intersected, that's where the DF is higher than the other block, or equal to at least, from 1830. And you can see it here because of this high. So for some reason, why the fuck is the mask? It doesn't even include 1830. Why does it include 1830? That's kind of funny. The one that is absolutely true doesn't include it. Where's 1830 here? For some reason it skipped it. Interesting. So what I'm going to do is just send all these things to the GPT, because I don't even have the strength or the mental bandwidth to handle any of this. Up to 1830 and maybe here. Tell the GPT that this is the data frame that we're working with and what it looks like. Alright, that's what the data frame looks like. The DF from other block. Right? Is that the DF from other block or the DF from... It's not even the DF from other block. It's like the DF from last consecutive. I'll just say slice DF. Okay. So we know what slice DF looks like. Assuming sliced DF looks like so. That's a huge DF. Okay. And trend direction is an uptrend for that trade happened. Guess it didn't highlight it, but we'll move. Okay. Which would mean that should mean that when we scroll assume the other block is 1802.1.53. the mask is true. Ready. Should be at this index, but for some reason it's this index instead. What could be the issue? Why is it not the first index where the condition is on it? Yes, I know that, but the condition is kind of straightforward. The mask is created by comparing the high and low values of slice TF to the other block. And yes. Oh, the O. IDX max. Skip any. I don't think that's the issue. I don't think that's the issue. But let's see. I just saw it. How would it be known in the first place? It's something that caught my attention. That's all. But there's a time I commented that's all. It is all stuff. And it still didn't change anything, so I'm kind of skeptical about it. Let's see. Okay, so it's still 17:45, so nothing has changed. It's still 17:45, nothing has changed. Okay, so let's go back to what this stuff was. The other block is 18 at 12. The first value is at the index because the high value at our index is which is less than. I'm not trying to do less than, I was doing greater than. Is this greater than less than? It trying to confuse me. So why? Do something like this. Let's see then. Does this work as intended? Is DF just crazy? I doubt. But you can't always be 100% sure. Because, I mean, hi, even if you say, okay, according to what this guy is saying, that the low is less than, even if you say the low is still less than, right? it looks still less than 18, so it should not even be in the in the IDX max, which is the first true value. It should be false. You understand? Like it should be false. So like what the fuck? Let's go again. Okay, so it's still 1745, which just means it's not the logical or oh my god, what the fuck is happening right now? Should we just print it or something? I mean, it's already being written to the file, so even if you open the file again, it's still see that it's 1745 as true. But how come I can't see any false here? Like there's actually no false. Why? Everything is just true. 1745 cannot be true because that makes no sense. Like what the fuck? Maybe the logical or slight DF. That's also not this. So realize it's not being banned as this misbehaving. Okay, so the section mask where slice DF high is greater than other block. Shall we just try to see what the slice DF looks like? Let's print out the slice DF is because why not? Oh boy, again, this is what the program is all about. It's more of running stuff than actually writing stuff. It's more of debugging stuff than when you actually write stuff. It's more of why is stuff not working than writing actual code, which is crazy. But I mean, the cost of production, right? Still waiting. When are you going to run? Okay, interesting. So the difference is I wanted to print the log. Let's close this. Close this. Don't wrap anything. So on level 5, I got on static, but we want to see what the DF looks like. DF started from 1745. The open, high, low, close. None of them is greater than. Bro, this stuff is so fucking confusing. Like, this makes no sense. Either I'm missing something or something's wrong somewhere in my code, but I doubt something's wrong somewhere. Slice DF is sliced properly. There's no issue with the slicing. It's sliced properly. So everything is being taken from the last index of this guy. As a matter of fact, this should be even the first defined 10, so that we can just say last index. Okay, that makes more sense. Okay, so back to what we're doing. Because intersection must slice df high greater than other block. There's something wrong somewhere. Is it the way it's happening? You know what? To avoid this unnecessary confusion, just section mask equals sliced df something plain high greater than equal to sum dot other block. Just simple, just no unnecessary additions, just this.